Okay, this is a quick video to show you how you can edit an InShot quickly. Here I have InShot app on my iPhone. Opening the application and then selecting the videos or photos that I'll be using. I have selected 3 different clips, video clips. You can see the clips down on the timeline. Here I have the first clip, which is a walk at the beach, basically. Testing the clip to make sure it works okay, which it does. Now go into the transition area between the first clip and the second clip. Now InShot have a couple of different transition effects that you can choose from. As you can see, testing different transitions. Find a transition that you like and then go with it. There you go, another one. One more transition, a different one, like the rolling effect, the snapping picture effect. You have different transition. Just find one that you like and stick with it. Okay, I think I like this transitioning, so I will be using this one. Here I am making the transition a little longer, so I extended so I slide it all the way to the right to make it a little longer. And then I clicked apply all to have this transition take effect on all the clips. And as you can see now, transitioning from the first clip to the second clip.
Okay, once we're done with the transitioning effect, now it's time to select a canvas size for YouTube. It's 16 by 9. If you're using the video for TikTok or another social media platform, select a different size. Now it's time to add the music. I have imported some music files. Now select the one that you like. Okay, once this is selected, we make sure it covers the entire video clip, which here it does. It's actually over the size of the 3 clips, so I'm going to cut the extra music part out and delete it. There we go. Okay, and then I like to use a fading effect at the end of the video and also at the beginning to make a smooth transition. So the voice goes lower and then higher, and then the end it goes from higher to lower. Okay, now I'm selecting the 3 clips. There is audio files on each of these clips. So I'm going to, I do not want to delete the audio in each of the clips. I just want to dim it down. So I'm just going to lower the volume for each of these clips. As you can see, I'm selecting one clip at a time, extracting the audio. And then now I have 3 audio files in addition to the music file. So now we're going back to the first clip. Okay, I'm going to lower the volume, keep it at 20%. So it's only 20% of the original volume. And then now this is the second file, a second clip, also 20%. And I go into the track 3, which is the third clip, also making it 20%. So I have 20% for each of the original audio file, and then I have 100% for the music file that I have. Let's take a listen. The transitioning works well. Okay, next let's see if we can add some text to the video. Here we go, I'm adding the text. You can change the font, change the size, change the location of the text. Okay, let's try this font. Okay, I like this one. Let's lower it down a little. There we go. We can change the color. You have different styles. Choose what you like. Okay. Okay, I think I like this one. And the text, let's adjust the time that the text appears in the video. Make it a little longer. Okay, now let's take a look at the video that we have so far. Okay, if you do not have the pro version of the InShot, you'll have a watermark. You can delete this watermark by watching a quick ad for 30 seconds. Once you watch the ad, you can have the watermark removed. Okay, let's take one last look at the video to make sure it works okay. Okay guys, so that was how you can do a quick edit in InShot. I hope that was helpful. This video you're watching right now was edited using InShot.